How to activate public bank credit card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to activate public bank credit card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to activate your public bank credit card, you need to log in firstly. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.pbebank.com. You will be led to the official web page of Public Bank. Now, go ahead and tap on the Sign In button you see on the top right of your screen. You will see various options. Tap on the PBE option. You will then be asked to enter your user ID, so go ahead and enter your user ID associated with your account and tap on the Next button. You will then be led to a confirmation page, so if your personal login phrase that you entered previously is correct, tap on the Yes Radio button, and if not, then tap on the No Radio button. If you tap on Yes, you will be required to enter your password now. So, enter your password and tap on the Login button, and with this, you will be logged in successfully. You will now see the Activate button in the interface that you will be led to. Tap on the Activate button and further follow the on-screen prompts to activate your card further. So, this is how you can activate public bank credit card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.